Hi, it's Thursday, 12th of November 2020 and the time is 17:55, 5 minutes to 6, and I'm about to have something for the day. I've been doing time restricted fasting, been fasting all day, and I'm only now just beginning to feel hungry. So I'm going to have a green juice now, which is this. And what I have in the juice is actually 4 cucumbers, 1 Kyuri, 1.5 Limau Kapas, a third of a lemon, a small piece of ginger, and that's it. It's and apples, 3 Granny Smiths. So I'm gonna pour it now. I made about 1.2 liters or so. Okay, it's just a regular juice, it's not terribly thick. I'm gonna have a taste and let you know what it tastes like. Wow, that was nice. I couldn't taste the ginger, that's way in the background. The dominant tastes are the citrus, the Limau Kapas and lemon. And then there's apple in the background. So I'm gonna have my second glass and finish the rest a little later. So see you next time. Bye!